What is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is going to be something a little bit different, I say, because I usually do videos about phone and gaming and etc. But today I have this product right here. Of course, if you guys familiar, this is a Bluetooth headphones. We're going to take a look at this headphone right here. Now I purchased this on Shopee, and I will later put in the price on this video. So this is a product from AWEI. It's called A780BL, and I believe this BL stands for Bluetooth. And I got this product from Great Gadget Technology. So yeah, I bought this from Shopee, from this seller. So thank you very much. They also give me a pretty nice card here, you know, like a gift card. It says, "Thank you. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any question about your order, contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you." So if you guys like to purchase this, make sure you guys purchase from this guy, because the packaging is great. The the delivery is great. They do job very fast. So yeah, a little bit about his headphones. So as you can see right here, this is powered by Bluetooth 5.0. You can either use Bluetooth connection or also AUX. Now of course, as many other Bluetooth headphone on this price section, it's superior bass sound, and also you have hands-free, and it's also a foldable and portable design, as you can see right here on the side. Just the basic information, I guess, from with multiple language on the other side. Yes, so this one is from English, so you guys can see it right here. So what I'm interested is the charging time. It's only 2 hours, but you can play music for up to 12 hours. I'm really going to test that earlier on. So I'm just gonna make this video, and I will do my full review later on. So product feature, the Bluetooth 5.0, you can see right here. You can also insert a SD card, so that's very nice. So you got that flexibility, and also you got 3D ear muff. So what I'm noticed about this headphone is that it is using a full over ear cuff, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll take a look about that. And of course you got two colors, but I don't think the sellers ship with two colors. I think we only got black, so that's fine. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. I've already cut this section right here, and also the top portion right here. So let's just do the quick unboxing. So if you guys wondering about the pricing, this retail on Shopee around, let me open this one, around 64 ringgit, but I got this for 57 ringgit, you know, with the Shopee coins and stuff. So that is really a great deal. So this is the headphone itself. Let's look quite interesting, you know. So this is what I told you about. We have the over ear design. So if you guys have like small to medium ears, this probably gonna comfort you really good, because it will go through your ears very comfortably. So as you can see right here, there's already some grease, because I already unpacked this and try to use it a little bit, you know, just to make sure that this product is fine. So this is the view from the earmuff. So quite big actually. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. For this price, for 57 bucks, you get this kind of design. So you know, this reminds me a lot of that expensive earphones, like I don't know, something's from Sony XM3 or XM4, you know, just the design though, you know. So for the overall design, let's take a look at the front. So you got the AWEI branding. It's pretty obnoxious branding though, but I'm fine with that. So on top here, we got a little bit of soft touch foam, just to keep your ears covered. So this is a soft touch, so to keep your head pretty soft. So yeah, this is the design of earphones, and of course you can adjust the headband. I mean, it's pretty solid though. You don't hear any creaking sound. Yeah, I mean, the build quality for the price is really good. So I'm gonna put this thing to the side, and we'll take a closer look later on. So let's take a look inside what else we get inside the box. So this is the outer part of the box, and from inside we will get the manual book, of course, in multiple language, and of course none of you or even myself will read it. So it say here, hello. Yeah, A70 BL wireless stereo headphones user manual. And yeah, just pretty much basic information, but I don't think you guys can read it, so I'm just gonna put it to the side. And then we get, oh, I didn't look at this earlier, so we get this nice 3.5 to 3.5 mm headphone jack, headphone cable. So this is very interesting, you know, for the color. I mean, they do ship with multiple colors. I've seen a buyer that got some kind of yellow, sometimes red, so it's nice, you know, for them to ship this kind of cable inside their own packaging. So that's pretty nice. This one is like green and black, so that's nice, and we're gonna keep it there. And last but not least, from the box we got the charging cable, if I'm not mistaken. Let's open this up. It's sealed pretty tightly. So we have USB to USB, micro USB. For charging is pretty short though, but I mean, you can use pretty much any micro USB you got on your on your room or whatever. So this one is really nice. You got the headphone cable, that's pretty nice, because you can also use AUX cable if you don't have any juice left inside the headphones. So, and also we got this one. So yeah, this is the headphones. As you can see right here, the band is adjustable, and right here we can see that it is made from metal, pretty much like aluminium or something, but the rest of the body is made out of plastic, like a very sturdy plastic, I'd say. Yeah, it's plastic, but I think the build quality is fine here. Yeah, it doesn't really show the cheap plastic kind of stuff. I mean, it's look pretty elegant if you put it right here, so you can see that the branding is quite obnoxious, like I said earlier, but I mean, everything is fine. So yeah, let's take a look around the headphones. So on the bottom here we got a few buttons. We got the switch, on off switch, then we got the volume up, we got the pause, I think this is for play and pause, and then we have the volume down. This is going to be the microphone. This is going to be the audio jack, the 3.5 audio jack for cables. This is going to be the secondary microphone, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have the charging port, and then this is the micro SD card slot. So that's pretty good because they include that. So on the left side, we don't really have nothing here. Nope. So what's good about this one, they got an indicator for left and also for the right side of the earphones. Yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it for the first look and unboxing of these headphones. I will post a full review about this headphone later on, after I use it, maybe around 1 or 2 weeks. So do subscribe if you guys want to learn more about these headphones. And for the latest pricing, I will put a link on the description below, so that you guys can purchase this and make a decision for yourselves, because I purchased this from Great Gadget Technology. It's on Shopee, and I believe also it's on Lazada, but you guys can check it out later on. Alright, so that's all for now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye bye.